As a beginner musician, it is essential to get familiar with all the parts that make your instrument work. The more knowledge you have of your instrument, the better you'll be able to access its potential and troubleshoot any problems that come up. Today we're going to look at the parts of the guitar. Hey guys, Carter here with the Loud program, and today we're breaking down all the parts of this beautiful ESP guitar. We're going to start at this end of the guitar and work our way down. So this part of the guitar, we have the headstock. The headstock houses the tuning pegs where the strings are attached at this end of the guitar. The tuning pegs are connected to the tuning keys that allow us to tune the guitar by turning the keys clockwise or counterclockwise. And here we have the nut that establishes consistent placement of the strings at this end of the guitar. Now we have the neck of the guitar with the fretboard on top, fret bars within the fretboard. Also on top of the fretboard we have these inlays to help us keep our place on the guitar. Finally, we have the body of the guitar and everything that goes with it. This toggle switch allows us to choose different pickup configurations for different tonal possibilities. And here we have those pickups. This pickup next to the neck of the guitar is known as the neck pickup. This pickup down here by the bridge is known as the bridge pickup. The pickups act like a microphone for the guitar, picking up the vibrations of the string and sending them out to the amplifier. Of course, the sound travels to our amplifier with a cable plugged into our input jack. As mentioned before, this is the bridge. The bridge holds an individual saddle for each string to form consistent placement at this end of the guitar, much like the nut does at the other end. Down here we have the volume and tone control knobs. The volume knob, of course, increasing and decreasing our output from the pickups, and the tone control knob increasing and decreasing the treble for that sound of the pickup. And lastly, we have the end pins for attaching our strap to the guitar. Thanks for checking out this video, and be sure to go to loudprogram.com for plenty other features.